Enter Bollywood. Wanna catch all the excitement of Bollywood? Just log on to zoomtv.in.
रणबीर कटरीना स्टारर रोमांटिक कॉमेडी अजब प्रेम की गजब कहानी का म्यूजिक लॉन्च हुआ मुंबई में, जहां फिल्म की पूरी स्टार कास्ट पहुंची और हमने की कटरीना से खास बात where she revealed the importance of love in her real as well as real life.
We're with the gorgeous Katrina Kaif, who's all set to rock it with her Ajab Prem Ki Gazab Kahani. Hi Katrina, welcome to Zoom.
Thank you.
Katrina, tell us, why is this Prem Kahani so gazab?
It's a very usual story about two very ordinary people. They're not special. They haven't achieved anything special in life. They're not especially talented or interesting or, striking. The journey that they go on to kind of achieve their love story or to reach their love story, that is gazab.
तुम भी मेरा साथ दोगे?
हमेशा जनी. No complaints, no demands.
प्यार में संसार घर बार नहीं दिखता. Has that happened to you in personal life?
Well, I think everyone at some point in their life has experienced that kind of mad, blinding love, where everything else just kind of goes out focus in the background and you can only see that one person who you love so much.
ये आदि क्या भरनाला?
अब उस कुत्ते के लिए मुझे खंडाना आना पड़ेगा?
कुत्ता?
Jenny में इतना खास क्या है? Why is Prem so crazy about her in the film?
I don't know. I always ask that when I saw the film and when we were shooting the film. I would ask Raji. I would say that what is it about her that that he just becomes like that, and he gave me an answer which I couldn't argue with because I know in my life it's always been like that. The people who have remained close to me in my life or have been special in my life, it's always been instantly for me.
Tell us about the look of Jenny in this film, because we can see she's sporting a little bit of a tomboyish look, which has worked very well for you in New York. So.
No, I'm the opposite of a tomboy in this film. In fact, Raji's brief was to me that I have to be completely girly and look, that very simple and just very ordinary person. So, except for the songs, which of course a lot of the songs in the film are imagination songs. So that is going to be a little bit more different than the look in the film. But where you see the scenes and the dialogues, the clothes are actually quite ordinary in the film.
ये ऐसी लड़की नहीं है. मैं इसे भगा के लाया.
So, tell us, coming to that, the promo is looking quite incomplete. हमें आधा अधूरा सा लग रहा है because Jenny is saying Prem and she's running towards somebody. So, हमारा interpretation तो ये है that is Salman because he's doing a special appearance in the film.
No, I can tell you that that's not. If I told you the scene, it wouldn't make sense to you.
Jenny.
So, thank you for talking to us, Katrina, and we wish you all the very best for this.